Welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at how you can get Vio3 for free. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for the update of my next video. So let's get started. Two main things before you get Vio3. The two main things are going to be, you have to get, I'll walk you through this step by step, and I'll show you finally how I get the Vio3 in my own dashboard. So without further ado, let me just get started. So come to Google and search for and create a Gmail account. You can use don't use your original Gmail account, use the other Gmail account. Immediately you get your Gmail account, something like this. Here I created a fresh new Gmail account. Okay, that is reti9458@gmail.com. So once you are done with that, you have to come to these three dotted sites and we look for VPN. Once you are here, you just come to extensions and come to manage extensions and come to Chrome Web Store. After Chrome Web Store, you come to you cite the extension. Now here I'm going to say free VPN. Once you search free VPN, you're going to see a lot of VPNs will pop up. There's a VPN that I like, is called Urban VPN. Or you can search for Windscribe VPN. You check the extensions. There are a lot of extensions here. I don't know which one I'm going to take. So you can search for developer work style entertainment extensions. Look at teams, discoveries. Look at extensions. And you type free VPN sites 2023 collections. Let's check for this extension, and volume master, we have Keeper, Amazon. So let's search for this extension, Urban VPN. Let me check this one. If you don't get this one, you can go to your web browser and type Urban VPN. Good. You are going to see it in Urban VPN. We have to install this in Chrome extension. Once you get this one, you see Urban VPN, you can hide your IP address. You can download it for free, so you can allow the latest version from here. We are going to just allow this. Come to this site. We are going to get the extension, get free Urban extension, and scroll where you say add to Chrome. Come in. Where you say add to Chrome, then you can add to Chrome, add extension. So I'll leave a NordVPN inside the description so that you can check it out. I think that is more reliable and it can keep your IP address safe, can save your browser and the IP address. And it also does the following things: anti-phishing, anti-malware, and block malicious ads. So Urban VPN can do that one. Once you install it, you can pin it. You can pin it up. You can click the download button, and once it is downloaded, you click this dotted line and pin it. Once you turn on this VPN, then we can turn it. Say that you get the free unlock. Yes, we're going to be using this one for desktop. It is added for Chrome now. Let's switch it on. Once you switch it on, it's going to give you some options. Now you can move this one. Okay, switch it on now. So agree, the IP address is here. You choose countries, United States. Let me choose United States. So you see it is connected to United States now. So let's go to the let's go and type Vio3, and we're going to choose the Google DeepMind. Let's scroll down. Let's check it out. Google DeepMind. Once you are here, we are going to this site. We are going to go to this site called Try with Gemini, and once you are here, it's going to give you some options to follow. Once you are here and you see Google DeepMind, as it is loading, we can remove this and let's try Google DeepMind Gemini. That is loading, and in DeepMind you can do a lot of things, introducing our state of art Vio3 model and new creatives. You can say redesign for greater realism. Follow prompts like never before, improve creatives. Vio3, let's say try with Gemini. It's now checking the connection session. Okay, I think the connection is back now. You're going to be giving it a time so that it can load. Let's check. Vio3 lets you add sound effects, ambience, noise, even dialogues to your creations, generating all audio natively. It also delivers the best in class quality, excelling in physics, realism, and prompt enhancement. So do you see the sample? Let me check the Google Gemini. Saying the Gemini is not yet done. Come back and try it again with Gemini. And say try in flow. Now let me check in flow. So as you can see, now the flow is working because flow will be seen by that time it is not connected to your country. You can say try with flow now. It will work with flow. Now what you can do is to give it a time, a new creation state, sign in with Google. So you go here and sign in using your Google account. Once you are here, so it's taking time to load. Alright, look at this. Okay, try and sign in different account. Sign in with your Gmail account. So don't use your original Gmail account. Loading, very good. Save and save in here. Check on these things. Click next. Press here continue. Now it says get started. Click here to get started. You must be Google AI subscriber to generate this. You come to Google AI now. Once you're in flow, you come and subscribe to Google AI. So this is it. $10. This is $0 per month. You come here and follow these steps. Create your cinematic scenes and stories, including limited access to Vio3, 1000 monthly credits across Flow and Whisk. So you see that you can get the Google AI Ultra. That is $124.99 for 3 months. You can see the Ultra. So if you want to sign on for the Ultra, you can use the Ultra. If you want this, if you need this other one also, you can sign up with this one. So you can say continue. So you can see you press get Google AI Pro. Once you click get Google AI Pro, it's going to give you the options to choose. Once you come here, you can put your credit card details. You come here and put all your card details. You can subscribe by using your PayPal. You can subscribe by using your card. Put your card number, the month, year, CVC, your name. The email that I created here gives me this name. Your billing address here. It is giving you United States here. So what the problem is, if you are not in USA, what are you going to do is you have to put any zip code here. For me, I put New York zip code 10001. Can you comment below so that I can know that this one is not a New York zip code? And you put everything and you click save. Once you click save, after you can use it for free. So let me show you my own account. Let me show you the one that I created with Whisk. Alright, just come here and you come to the site. Once you click subscribe, and it will give you Gemini 2.5 Pro, and you see this one I use another email, so it's in Gemini now. I sign in using that order. Create with Vio3. You can put image here and then give it a prompt. But if you can come to this 3 dotted and you learn here more, or if you want, you can just come to this other site, or you can just give it a prompt and it can generate that prompt for you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.